Hey guys, 2023 is by the corner, and I know most of you are actually thinking of, learning a skill, leveling up, and doing some stuff like that. So I decided to come up with this compilation of programming languages you may consider if you want to get into web development. The first on the list here is JavaScript. I think JavaScript is everything about web development. So from the back end to the front end. So if you're interested in front end web development with JavaScript, we have React JS there. We have Vue and Angular. These are like the top three in this category. And if it's the back end that you actually want to focus on, Node.js and Express is actually there. All you need is to start with JavaScript. So these are all JavaScript dependent. So when you learn JavaScript, then you can move to them. So the second on the list here is Python. I don't know if you have heard of Python and if you have tried it before, but let's say you're considering web. Python is actually very good. It has a framework called Django and Flask that you can actually use for web development. Django is very good and very powerful, and it's one of those technologies that was used to build Instagram. So it's also part of the Instagram video. So you can actually check it out. But before you get into Django, what you need is Python. You need to learn Python, understand it, and then move to web development. It's mostly a backend framework, but it has this whole MVC kind of feature where it has its own front end template engine that you don't really need a front end framework to actually work with it, but you can actually work with the framework if you're coming from Angular or React or Vue. So it's also good, and Flask is also there. These are all web development frameworks. Then the next one is PHP. PHP is well known and is used for so many web applications. I think most web applications make use of PHP. WordPress is there, all built with PHP, and the same is with Facebook. It's also built with PHP from the initial. So you can actually try PHP, and majorly what you'll be doing is back end web development. So I'm going to be clear with you on this. You'll be doing a lot of back end web development with PHP and making use of one of the biggest framework, which is Laravel. Well, all this you can actually learn online, free or paid. I recommend you actually try free first to see how it goes, to know if you're really interested in this or not. Then when you say, okay, I love this and I want to actually go on with this, that's when you invest your money into a paid course, in a well structured course. I actually recommend a structured course so you don't go back and forth. And I also recommend you check my video about getting a mentor if you're coming into tech. It's very, very important you actually know where you're heading to and someone that's already there talking to you as well. So check the video, it will be linked up. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos like this. See you guys in the next video. Wish you a happy 2023.